ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. Oh, in between something missed, huh? Oh, Sakra, I did correctly only. Anyway. साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् मुखम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धम् सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभमनवद्यम् च सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तादुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
ग्रन्थं
ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः
वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः
वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि
शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा
आदेशागमास्तथा
आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
गणपाठोपदेशाः
उपदेशः
प्रकीर्तिताः
प्रकीर्तिताः
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
पादः
कृत्याः
कृत्याः
तव्यत्तव्यानि यरः
तव्यत्तव्यानि यरः
वसेस्तव्यत्कर्तरि निच्छ
वसेस्तव्यत्कर्तरि
वसेस्तव्यत्तत्कर्तरि
निच्च
अचो यत्
अचो
अचो
यत्
यत्
तकिशसि व्यतीयति जनिभ्यो यद्वाच्यः
तकीशसि
तकीशसि
व्यतीयति
व्यतीयति
जनिभ्यो
जनिभ्यो
यद्वाच्यः
यच्चाद्यः
अनो वा तद्वदश्चेति वक्तव्यम्
नो
नो
वा
वा
तत्तस्येति वक्तव्यम्
तद्वदश्चेत् वक्तव्यम्
पोरधुपधात्
ओरधुपदात्
पोरदुपदात्
शकिसहोश्च
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 गदमदचरयमश्चानुपसर्गे
गदमदचरयमश्चानुपसर्गे
गदपदचरयमश्चानुपसर्गे
चरेराङ्गि च गुरो सुक्षवा आश्चर्यम् आश्चर्यम्
Chariramni
Shriram
chargudo
Chargudo
suttava
Suttava
acharyam
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 अवद्यपन्यवर्या गर्ग्यपनितव्या निरोधेषु
Avadyapanyavarya
avadyapanyavarya garhya
Panitabhya
panitavya
Nirodheshu
nirodeshu
मह्यं करणं
Rahim
Sahyam
karanam
Karanam
आर्यस्वामि वैश्ययोः
Aryaswami
aryaswami vaishyayoho
Vaishyayoho
उपस्तर्या काल्या प्रजने
pasarya
Vasarya
kalya
Kalya Prajane
prajane
अजर्यं सङ्गतं
ajaryam
Ajaryam
sangatam
Sankatam
वदस्सुपिक्यप्च
Vadasupikya
vadasupikya
भुवो भावे
Bhuvo
bhuvo
Bhave
bhave
हनस्त च
Anastacha
anastacha
एते स्तोषा स्मृदृजुषक्यप
Edistusha
itistu shas vridre shas jushakyapa
मृदुपथा चाक्लिपिच्छ्रुतेः
pradupadha cha klipi
Vedupadacha
shritehe
ईचखनः
icha
Ichakanaha
khanaha
भृङ्यो संज्ञायाम्
brinyo sanyayam
Nyayam
मृजेर्विभाषा
Vijir
mrajir
Vibhasha
vibhasha
राजसूयसूर्यमृषोद्यरुच्यकुप्यकृष्टपच्या व्यथ्याः
Rajasuya Surya
Rajasuya
Mrishodya Rucha Kupya
Mrishodya Kupya Pushta
Prishtapachaya Prishtapyaha
Prachavyatyaha
विद्योऽध्यौ नदे
Vidyodhyau
Vidyodhyau
Nade
पुष्यसिद्ध्यो नक्षत्रे
Pushyasiddhyau
Pushyasidhyau
Nakshatre
Nakshatre
विपूय विनीय जित्या मुञ्जकल्कहलिषु
Puja Viniyajitya Munja
Munja
Kalpahalishu
Kalpahalishu
प्रत्यपिभ्यां ग्रहेश्छन्दसि
Pratyabhyam
Pratipidhyam
Grahe
Grahe
Chandase
Chandasi
पदास्वैरिबाह्या पक्ष्येषु च
Tada Svairibhakya
Padasvairi Bhakya
Paksheshu Cha
Paksheshu Cha
विभाषाकृवृषोः
Vibhasha
Bhasha
Krivisho
Vrivrisho
युग्यं च पत्रे
Yugincha
Yugim
Patre
Chapatre
अमावस्यदन्यतरस्यां
Amavasyadantarasya
Amavasyadanyasyam
छन्दसि निष्टर्क्ष्य देवहो यः प्रणीयोन्नीयोचिष्यमर्यस्तर्याध्वर्यखन्यखान्यत् देवयज्ञा पृच्छ्य प्रतिशीव्य ब्रह्मवाद्यभाव्यस्ताव्योपचाय प्रणानि
Chandasi
Chandasi
Nishtakari
Nishtapya
Deva
Deva Huya
Huya
Praniyo
Praniyo
Niyochishya
Chishya
Maryastarya
Marya
Dvarya
Starya
Kanyakanya Deva
Dvarya
Yajya
Kanyakanya
Vritsarya
Deva Yadya
Pratishishya
Pritcha
Brahmavadya
Pratishivya
Bhavya
Brahmavadya
Stavyo Vajaya
Bhavistadyo Pachaya
Pranani
Pridani
ऋहलोर्ण्यत्
Rehalornyata
होरावश्यके
Ora Vashyake
Vasyaki
आसुयुवपिरपिलपितपि चमश्च
Asuyuga Pira Pila
Asuvapira
Pitrapi
Pilapitrapi
Chamascha
Chamascha
आनायो नित्ये
Anayo Nitye
प्रणायो सम्मतौ
Pranayo Samvatau
पायसान्नायनिकाय धाय्यामान
Anayo
हविर्निवास
Nitye
सामिथे नीषु
Payana Sana Yeni
Ayasanayikaya
Kaya
Dayamana
Dayamana
Havirnivasami
Virnivasa Sami
Ishu
Teneshu
क्रतौ कुण्डपाय सञ्चायौ
Krato Kundapaya Sanchayau
अग्नौ परिचायोपचाय समोह्याः
Agno Parischayo Pachaya Samohyaha
चित्याग्निचित्ये च
Chityagni Chityecha
नुल्तृचौ
Nul Vrechau
जौन्तः
Jontaha
Samuhyaha Nutrichau
adabhyastat
Adabhyastat
atmanepadeshu anataha.
Atmanepadeshu anataha.
Your net is having problem, I think. No, dragging. Achontyaditi
Chantyaditi.
Tita atnepadanam tere
I can hear you. Padanam tere.
tasasya
Thasase.
ato nitaha
Ato ngitaha.
Ato nitaha.
lopor vyobali
Loporvyo vali.
atatirgo yagi
Vali.
Ato dirgo yangi.
nityam nitaha
Nityam ngitaha.
itascha
Dirgo
Itascha.
tastamipam tamaha
Tasthastamipam tal tan tamaha.
lunglang lungshu at udataha
Lung 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 kshu at udattaha.
adajadhinam
Ardajadinam.
atascha
Artascha.
mangilung
Mainglung.
nawang yoge
Amayoge.
smottare langsha.
Smutare langcha.
Yesterday we saw lot also. Loto langvat
Loto langvata.
eruhu
Eruhu.
serhya picha
Sirhya picha.
nirnihi
Mirnihi.
aduttamasya picha
Aduttamasya picha.
ametaha
Amitaha.
savabhyam vamau
Savabhyam vamau.
eta ai.
Eta ai.
Up to that we saw. Now we will just do all the pratyas. You tell the sutra. Now this is generally lakara. Lakara pratyaha. This is for parasmai pada. Let us take parasmai pada pratyaha. Similarly, atmanepada pratyaha we can do. Atmanepada pratyaha. Ekvachan, dvivachan. Okay. What are the pratyas? General. Tip,
Tiptasji, siptastas, mitpasmas.
tiptasji, sip, tas, ta, vip, vas, mas. Then
Yes.
atmanepada.
Just sip.
Atamja.
Oh.
Ta, atam.
Tamja.
Yeah.
Dvam. It.
As.
Atamdam. Idvahi.
What is the sutra?
Lasya.
Tiptasya,
3, 4, 7, 8.
Yes,
That's
3
okay.
8. So now, this is general lakara. If it is lat, lakara, parasmai pada pratyaya, natmane pada pratyaya. Tip, sip. Okay, this also. All these are pit. All these means highlighted. Tip, sip, mip. The 3 are pit. What about the rest? Both left out. Dvivachana pratyaya, bahuvachana pratyaya, parasmai pada, and all the atmane pada pratyas. They are for lat lakara,
Apit.
sarvadhattuka pit. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What is the change happens for lat lakara, Parasmai Pada, Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam. Is there any change? No.
No.
No change, right?
No.
Step to step only. So P, Pakara is in the letter. What about thus?
Visarga.
Na vibhakto tusmaha. Upavada is there, right? Therefore, Sakara not in the letter. And therefore, Sasajishoruhu will apply. Not Jalam Jashonte. Because Sasajishoruhu is Apavada to Jalam Jashonte, right? Because Sakara is also Jal letter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Padanta Jal. But you will not get Jash because Sasajishoruhu is Apavada to Jalam Jashonte. Therefore, Ru and Ru becomes, Ru is nothing but Repa. Repa will become Sharka Karavasana. Yaha. Rapatitaha. What about G?
Jantaha.
Jakara is replaced by Jakara, replaced by Ant.
Yes.
Ant. So don't do the lopa of, this is a pratyaya, right? Don't do the
Yes.
lopa of Jakara by the sutra or sutra.
Jontaha.
No. I'm telling, don't do the lopa of Jakara by the sutra.
Or
Amantyasya.
That is Alantyasya, sir. This is a pratyaya. Jakara plus E is a pratyaya, right?
Yes.
Jakara is it will become lopaha when? Will become lopaha when? When it enjoys its sanya.
Yes, yes.
Will it enjoy its sanya? Yes. By what sutra?
Chutu.
Pratyasya adihi chutu.
Yes.
Right? This is, but we cannot make lopa. If you make lopa, then Jonta sutra has got no purpose. What is the
Yes.
purpose of ordering anta desha for jakara? No meaning, huh? Therefore, don't
Yes.
make it. Therefore, it is not a it letter. Okay. Therefore, ant will come anta desha jontaha. Therefore, anti, right?
yes.
So ti taha anti. What about sit? Pakara is it letter. Just
Yes.
I'm removing the it letter only. Tas will become here also same thing. Now vibhakto tusmaha and jala jashote is negated by sasaj shoruhu. Therefore, ru and ru is nothing but repa. Karavasa visajaniyaha. Sitaha atta is ta only. Mit Pakara is alante mit just it letter. Just among it letter. Here also same thing. Was as before becomes visarga. So for titaha anti, sitaha ta, vivaha maha. This is for latlakara. So jontaha, the sutra which we have seen, right?
Yes.
This is for jontaha will come when it comes for adantanga 1, 4, 6, 10. Right? Suppose if I do other conjugation, abhyasta, then adantanga, okay. Jontaha comes not only for adantanga, jontaha, then we have adabhyasta, then atmanepadeshu, that is different. Okay. I'm asking for abhyasta. Suppose if it is abhyasta, then what will happen? If the anga is abhyasta for third conjugation, right? Dadati, duplication, remember, abhyasta, the term.
Yes.
Yes.
Then what will happen? It is not jontaha, it is adabhyasta. Jakara will be replaced by, just to be
At.
chanted, at.
At.
Therefore, you will have only ati, not anti. This is for abhyastanga, third conjugation, as well as the 6 dhatus, 6 plus 1, 7 dhatus of the second conjugation. Why second conjugation? Because they enjoy abhyasa sanya naturally. You will see that later. Don't worry about it now.
Okay.
Third conjugation, there will be dadati, like that. Duplication will be there. Understand?
Yes.
Understood.
So there, Jontaha will not apply. Abhyastad angad uttarasya jakarasya at adeshaha bhavati. Ati will come. So this point you can note. Anti, general. If it anga is abhyasta, ati. Right?
Yes.
Okay. There's a palat lakara. What about atmanepada?
But one
Hmm.
question.
Hmm.
For example, Kri Dhatu,
Hmm. It is not abhyasta, sir. So anti only. No problem there.
okay. But so it's not meaning a Adantanga.
No, no Adantanga. I said by mistake, I corrected me. Not for Adantanga. Jontaha is Utsarga for all. If the Anga is Abhyasta, then it will be At.
Okay. Understand.
And Atmanepada, that we will see now. What are the Atmanepada Pratyas? Atam, Jab, Tas, Atam, Dom, It, Magi, Maging. They enjoy Atmanepada Sangha by what sutra? Laha Parasmepadam, Tangano, Atmanepadam, once upon a time we saw. Very, very long back. Okay, let it be. So Lat Lakara. What type of Lakara Lat Lakara is? But Vachaspati.
Tit.
Tit Lakara. Therefore, what will happen for Atmanepada?
Titaha atmanepadam tere.
Tere will apply. Therefore, what is T?
Achontyadi.
Achontyadi. Takara plus A. The A is a T. Replace it by Ye. Therefore, Takara plus Ye. A.
Te.
And what is the T letter of Atam? Replace it by Ye. Therefore,
Ate.
Ate. And here, Jontaha.
Jotaha.
That will apply. That will apply. And what is the T letter? Ha. Therefore, after applying Jontaha,
Ante.
Ante, Te, Ate, Ante. And here, Tas.
Tas. Tas.
We have a separate sutram for this.
Yes.
Tasase.
Tasase.
The
Yes.
whole thing is replaced by say. Say is Anekaladesha. Therefore, Sarvasya Sthane. The entire Thas is replaced by say. Separate sutram is there for this. So don't do Achontyadi T. Then what? Then Tasase has got no meaning, right? That's why.
Yes.
What about here? Atham. T letter. Replace it by
Te.
Te. Ate. Dum. T letter. Therefore, Dve.
Te.
Say Ate Dve. It will become Takara it's a letter. E.
E replaced by A.
Ye. And here Vahi. E it's a
Vahe.
letter. Sorry, E T letter. Vahe. And here Nakara is it's a letter. Therefore, E.
Mahe.
Mahe. Actually, these are the pratyaya. Te, ite, te, ate, ante, se, ate, dve, ye, vahe, mahe. In some books, no, they were given e, vahe, mahe. It's okay. It's okay means, anyway, for Adantanga, what will happen? Guna will happen. That's why Adantangas and some books, they will give e. It's okay. A plus e, what will happen?
Yansang.
Sir, A plus e, sir.
Oh.
A plus Adantanga, A plus e.
Gunasan. Ai.
Ye. A plus e. Gudasandhi, ye.
Yes.
Right?
A. Yes.
So for Adantanga, in some books, you will see E would have given like this. It's nothing wrong. You will get the same form. But strictly, it should be A only. As per the Achontyadi T, if you do A. For Adantanga, I'm talking about. If you suppose if it is E, for Adantanga, A plus E, what will happen? A plus E is, anyway, you will get A. Suppose A plus A, Adantanga plus A, then what will happen? Ato Gune only, then also A only.
Okay.
Then also A only. That is why I said it is E. It's not a problem. I mean, it doesn't create really a problem whether you say E, but we will say A. In Shabda Manjari, no, in Dhatrupa Manjari, that R.S. Vadyar and Sons, I think I would have given E. If you check, maybe later, we'll see. For Adantanga, it's not a problem because R plus E will become A and R plus A. Anyway, it is A. Atho Gune, 6197.
Yes.
What Vajaspati, right?
Yes, yes,
They showed you. Oh, okay.
yes.
Well,
Now, this is general. For Adantanga, what will happen? What is the special thing? Will they undergo any change? No. Ate? Yes. What is the change for Adantanga?
Atoknitaha.
Ato Nitaha. What is that sutra says? Akara of the Nit Pratyaya, Sarvadhatika Nit Pratyaya, following the Adantanga, that A will be replaced by Ya. Then Lopaha Vyorvali will apply, Yakara will become, when well followed by well, Yakara becomes Lopaha. That is why for Adantanga we say Te Gite, right?
yes.
Similarly here also, Te, same thing, Ato Nitaha. That Gitaha, please note, it is for the Pratyaya, not for the Lakara. If it is for the Lakara, then we cannot apply for Lat. Nit, that's why I said these are all Nit Pratyaya. Sarvadhatukam Apit is Nitvat, right? Because the Pratyaya is Nita. Therefore, Akara of the Nit Pratyaya, when following the Adantanga, will be replaced by Iya, and Yakara will become Lopaha, Vyorbali. Therefore, you get Gite. Therefore, Te Gite, Ante, Se Gite, Dve, Ye, Bahe, Mahe, then Latlakara, then, right? Sutras.
Yes.
Now, again back. I'm changing it. Now, Lang Lakara, what is from the Lang Lakara? I'll make it the original. Tip, sip, mip, thus, thus, mus, and here it is, cha. Similarly here, ta, atam, ja, tas, atam, which vagi, magi. Okay. Now, Lang Lakara, they're changing. Parasmepadi, what will happen? Tip. These are Sarvadhataka Pit Pratyasi. Three. Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. The rest are Sarvadhataka Pit. So Pakara you can remove.
Itascha.
Then what happens?
Itascha.
Itascha Lopaha Bhavati. What does it say? Sutra say. Itascha. Sutra says.
Ikara of
For
Ikara.
Nillakara in
Ikara.
Parasmipada.
Sorry.
Nit lakaras in Parasmipada, they
Yes.
will remove the E.
Where the E should be. Antya. Okay.
Oh,
The last letter, right?
okay.
The last letter E. So Takara plus E. Itascha Lopaha, by that E, for only for Parasmik Pada Pratyaya, please note. E will go away. Sakara plus E. Okay, I will write this. This is Takara plus E, Sakara plus E, Makara plus E. Right?
Yes.
So what will happen? Itascha Lopaha, E goes away. Here also E goes away. And here,
Also.
not required. Why? Here we don't have to apply. Because,
Mine.
huh?
This is. No, I'm sorry.
Nitalakara special sutram, dancing sutram.
Yes, tas tamipam.
Tas tamipam, tam tamaha. Therefore, tas will be replaced by ta. Tas will be replaced by tam. Ta will be replaced by ta. And here what was tas? Tamipam. It was mipam, mip. Mip will be replaced by Therefore, itascha apply only for these two.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Then what about bus and mus?
Sa uttamasya.
Sa Uttamasya, what lakara? Nit lakara, Uttama
Nilakara.
Purusha, Sakara will drop.
Lopa.
Therefore, Sakara will go away. It is not a Ith letter. See, that is why it is dropping. We need a sutra. If it is a Ith letter, then it will also go away, right? But it is not. Navivakta Smaha. But Sakara, Uttamasya goes away, right?
Yes.
Uttamasya. And what about Ja? Jontaha will apply, right? For Adanta, for area, for all, no problem. Because only other Abhyasta, Atmanepada, Abhyasta only we have to see. Jontaha will apply. Suppose Jakara will be replaced by Ant, therefore you will have what?
Anta. Anta.
Anta, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
This.
This is no,
Then
because
what?
Agavat Abavatam Abhavan. This
Yes. You tell me
Ant,
why. What happens then?
only Ant and then Ta Kara is Lopa. Huh?
How? Jakara, yes. How does it happen there? Hmm. What happens, sir? Adantanga, Takaratam and Sakaratam ta Ambama. You have seen, right? Many times. I mean, we chanted. Not seen, chanted. So what happened that? Actually, it is not Ja, it is G. Right? Tip plus G it is, not Ja, not even Ja. Okay. I am by here it is Ja. I think probably that's why confusion is no problem. Okay. This is not therefore itascha by that.
It is
E goes away. Therefore, only Jakara alone is there. Okay. Itascha. Then Jontaha will apply Anta. Takara will goes away by because this will be at the end of the Padam. Sayyoganta Silopaha. Therefore, you will have An.
yes.
Okay. It is Tip plus G, not Ja, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So therefore, you get this. This is for what anga? Adantanga. Non-adantanga. For that also, same thing only. No change, right? Same thing only.
Yes.
Only, same thing only. For Abhyastanga, what will happen? This will not be Ant. This will be Prabhyastanga. Jontaha will not apply. You will get Adabhyastat. At will come.
Yes. The best.
You will get At will come. So, like Lang Lakara, for example, we have not seen those Lakaras. It's okay. But anyway, suppose Dadatu, if you take, for example, Lang Lakara, Dadatu, when we have not seen, don't worry. Adadat, Lang Lakara, Adatam, then, yes, Lang Lakara. Something else also happened, okay, that we have not seen, yes, because one sutra is, it will, that for the Abhyasta, we have another sutram, separate sutram is there. That is Abhyasta when followed. No, that it will get when Jus Adesha. Then we have Jus is Us, then Usiya Padanta, all those things will apply. Anyway, don't worry. Okay, Abhyasta not required because we have another sutra which is there in the same section only, 3-4 section only. That we will be seeing later. Time will come, that time we will see. Don't worry about it now. Don't worry Abhyastanga for Langlakara because the sutra are out of scope now. Okay, leave it. So Takaratam an, Takaratam and Sakaratam ta done. Atmanepada, Tatam Jata Satam tam Mitvagi Maging. Any change will happen. No, it is same. For Atmanepada, the pratyas are same as the original pratyaya. Right? For Latlakara, Parasmapada pratyas are same as the original pratyas. That's how it is, right?
Only Jontaha.
Yeah, only Jontaha. Yes, that will apply. Therefore, it will become Anta. If it is Adantanga, then A will become
E.
A
E.
will be replaced by Ya, then Yakara will go away, Itam.
Yeah.
So you get, if it is Adantanga, you get Itam, Itam. Ta, Itam, Anta, Thas, Itam, Dvam, E, Vagi, Magi. Right?
Yes.
Alabata, Alabetam, Alabanta, Alabatha, Alabetam, Alabaddam. You just add Alaba in case we have doubt. Alaba. Atagama, Lab plus Shapratya. Shap is therefore Alaba. Alabata, Alabhetam, Alabanta, Alabataha, Alabetam, Alabaddam, Alabe. Then Alabha, Vagi, Ato Dirgo Yagi will apply. Yes or no?
Yes.
Alabha plus Adantanga followed by the letter which is of the young letter. So therefore, this Apadanta, Anga ending with Akara, which is not at the end of the Padam, that Ato Dirgaha Bhavati, Alabha Vagi, Alabha Mahi, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Adantanga, non-Adantanga also then, right? Okay. Then this Ja only you have to note for Abhyasta that will change. That's okay, not required, as I said. That we'll see. This much is done. Yeah.
That he will not be A.
Which she said,
The Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam.
oh, here. I think this is what I wanted to say. Maybe in here, E or A. How it is A? Originally it is E only, right? It cannot become A. It cannot become A, right?
Cannot become
How will it
E.
become A? Vachaspati. How does it become A? Is there any sutra by which it becomes A?
No.
No. E Vahi Magi only.
Yes.
If it is A, then Adantanga will not have problem. But for non-Adantanga, we will have problem. Okay. If it is E or A, doesn't matter for Adantanga. But for non-Adantanga, it will have problem. Suppose if you say A, let us take fifth conjugation. Atmanepada Chidatu, for example. Chidatu. Fifth conjugation I'm taking. Chinoti, Chinutaha, Chinvanti. What will be the Uttam Purusha Ekavachana Rupam of Chidatu? Dhatu is Ching, Chayane. Tell me. Chidatu, Ganavikarna Ashnu, and Pratyaya Ye. This is Haladi. Will it not get Attagama? Yes or no? Attagama will
Yes.
come, right?
Yes.
Attagama is A. So Chi plus no. Any Angakarya possible? No. Therefore you will have Achinu. Achinu plus A. Can A cause any Angakarya? Yes or no?
No.
No. Why?
Apit.
Because it is Apit. Therefore Angakarya not possible. Okay. Angakarya not possible. Therefore, what will come? If it is A, A is wrong actually. Okay. If it is A, what will happen? We are saying. We are doing. If it is A, then what will be the form?
Chunwei.
Then you will have Ajadi Pratyaya. Then we have another sutram is Achishnu Dhatu Bruvang one sutram. Achishnu. By that, when Ajadi, this Pratyaya follows, no. Then that U will be, that is for Sanyoga. Achishnu Dhatu Bruvang Yang Uvangau. Yeah. Yeah, U will be replaced. Here, U will be replaced by just Yansandi. Achin way you will get. But this is wrong form. This is wrong. Right? You cannot have this. It's a problem. You understand?
Yes.
So this is the wrong form. Therefore, we cannot have this. But what is the actual form? Actual form is, it is E. Therefore, being answered, you get achin V. That is the right form. Is it clear?
Yes.
Therefore, here for the non-adanta anga, yeah, it should be E. If A is a problem. Adantanga, we don't have problem. Adantanga, anything you take Adantanga. For example, Atmanepada, right? Laba. Laba itself you take Labdhatu. Simple one. So Alab plus Shap plus, suppose if it is E, then Alaba plus E, A plus E will become
Lullaby.
Gunasandhi, Alabe. Suppose if it is A instead of E, then also A plus A is Atogune Pararupa Sandhi Alabe you will get. So we will not have problem for Adantanga, but we'll have problem for Anadantanga. Therefore, better to have just E here. That is proper.
Yes.
Okay. So Lang Lakara, then Lot Lakara. Sorry, which what we saw. Lot is what Lakara? I got to change everything. Lot Lakara is Tit Lakara.
Yes.
Therefore, Atmaya Pada, we have to be alert. What will happen? Tip, thus, G, Sip, thus, Ta, Mip, Bas, Nas. Similarly, here, Ta, Atam, Ja, Tas, Atham, Dum, then Eva, Himati. Okay, no problem. Now, what? Lot Lakara. We have Sutram. What Sutra we saw? Lotaha,
Lotaha Langvatu.
Langvat. Only two sutras are common. What are the two sutras?
Tas
Tastastamipam Tantan Tamaha and
Iro.
not Eru. So Eru is not common. Eru is
Uh,
special sutra for Lord.
yes. Yes.
The Sakara and Vakara becomes Lopaha, Nityam Hitaha. That sutra. Right?
Nityamitaha.
So that is common. So therefore, two sutras are common. So we can do Tastastamipam, Tam, Tam, Ta, and here it will become huh? Don't do it here because for Lot Lakara we have one special sutram for Uttam Purusha, Parasapada Uttam Purusha Ekavachanam, Mer Nihi will apply. So therefore,
Yes.
don't do that. You apply Mer Nihi. Me will be replaced by me. Okay. All the four we cannot do it. Only Tastas Ta only. Nip is replaced by me. Okay. And another another thing is Sakara is that is Nityam Gitaha, right? That is Sutra. Why that Sakara goes away. These two sutras are common, like Lang. Special sutra for Lot is Eruhu. Eruhu is T plus Sakara plus E. E will be replaced by U, right? Therefore, you will have Sakara plus U,
Two.
U. Sakara plus U, Su. No, that will not apply. You will see because we have one special sutram. That is, C will be replaced by E and it will be deemed to be a
Meat.
pith. Yes, a pith. Even though it is a pith, it will be deemed to be a pith. So, two, Tam and G will be replaced by Jontaha. After that, E is there. Replace E by Eruhu, U. Therefore, Ant plus Anti, actually it is Anti, E replaced by U, Antu, right? Tu Tam
Yes.
Antu, E Tam Ta, and Ni Va Ma is there. One more sutram is there for Parasamipada. What is that? For all the Uttama Purusha, both Parasmipadi and Atmanepadi, you will have Art Agama. Therefore, Ani, Ava, Ama, right?
Yes.
So therefore, tu tamantu, he tamta, ani ava ama is for is general. But for Adantanga, what happens? For Adantanga, this E becomes lopaha. That is that is why patatu patatam patantu pata. There is no patahi.
Yes.
Whereas chinuhi, shaknuhi, there will have janihi, etad vijanihi. In Kenopanishad is the etad vijanihi. Tu tamantu tamta ani ava ama. And here ani ava ama, another important thing is, what is that? Ad uttamasya, they are considered to be pith.
Meat.
Pith.
Pit? Ah, yes, pit.
Therefore, Angakarya happens. For non-Adantanga, when these pratyas follows, Angakarya happen. Adantanga anyway it will not happen. I'll give an example. You take example of Chi itself. Chi plus, Shnu plus, Ani anyway, Ani is Pith. You take Ani or Ava, Ama. What will happen? Chi plus Shnu is, Chi cannot go under Angakarya because Shnu is a Pith. Therefore, Chinu plus Ava is Pith. Now what will happen?
Chino.
Hmm?
No. Chino.
So it is Pith. Therefore, Chi
Angakarya.
no plus Ava, right?
Yes.
Then what is the form? U becomes O by what sutra? It's correct or not, we will see later. U becomes O by what sutra? U becomes O by Sarvadhatuka Adhatuka Yoho. That will happen only when a Sarvadhatuka Adhatuka Pratyaya is a when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya is a Pith Pratyaya. It is Pith by this sutra, Aduttamasya picture. That is why Pitham is important. Ani, Ava, Ama. Ani already it is Pith. But Ava and Ama, they were not Pith, now gains Pithvam. Therefore, Angakarya possible. Therefore, O will become O. Sarvadhatuka, Adhatuka Yoho, 7384. And after that, what happens? O, Ayarisandi, Ho, Yava, Ayava, Yavaha. Therefore, becomes, O will become Au. Chinavava, Chinavava, Chinavama, Chinavani, Chinavava, Chinavama. Understand?
Yes.
Chinotu, Chinutam, Chinvantu, Chinuhi, Chinutam, Chinuta, Chinavani, Chinavama, Chinavama. Suppose if Angakarya doesn't happen, then you will have Yansanti happening. That is why Angakarya is important. Understand?
Yes.
See, take for example Antu. Antu is Pittarapit. Antu is Pittarapit.
Apit. Apit.
It is not Pit, Apit. Therefore, Chi plus Nu plus Antu, what is the form? Chi plus,
Chinvantu.
does it under Angakarya? Chino? No.
No.
No Angakarya. It is just Yansanti, Chinvantu. Therefore, Chinoti, Chinutaha, Chinvantu. That is Yansanti. Whereas, see, why I am comparing this? This is Ajadi Pratyaya. This is also Ajadi Pratyaya. Difference is, this is Ajadi Sarvadhataka Apit. These are Ajadi Sarvadhataka Pit. Got it? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay. Adantanga, anyway, it is very simple. Only thing is, this you have to note, this also, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana, it is replaced by he and will be considered to be Apit. For Adantanga, that he also goes away. Now, Atmanepadi will do.
And sometimes he becoming D? No.
Yes, that's another sutra. That's the special sutra for some dhatus, yes.
Oh.
What is the sutra? Here, he, one sutra, one sutra, I don't remember it. Like for Dadate he, I think so. Something like that. Dadate he, one sutra, okay, yes, it happens. Like Pahi, No, not Paki, sorry. E will become, yeah, it is there. We will see that, okay. Atmanepada Pratyaya, then now, ta, tanja, ta, sa, ta, damit, vagi, machine. What will happen here for Lot Lakara? Atmane, for Parasmepadi, it is Heru. For Atmanepada, it is what sutra? Ametaha.
Metaha.
That will apply after applying. This is the Tit Lakara. Don't forget that. Therefore, Titaha Atmanepadanam Tere you have to apply. Therefore, Ta will become Te, Atam will become Ate, Ja will become, suppose if you apply Jontaha Ante, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
You have to apply all these things. Right?
Yes.
Lot Lakara, Tit Lakara or not? Tit Lakara.
Yes.
So therefore, you have to apply Titaha Atmanepadanam Tere. After applying, then you will have Ye. Then you apply Ametaha. Understand? That's how we saw. Right? Otherwise,
Yes.
only apply Ametaha. Ametaha cannot be applied at all. Got it?
Yes.
So therefore, Te, Ate, Ante. What about Tas? Tas anyway, Titaha Atmanepadanam Tere. Tas will be replaced by Se. Tasa Se. And here we have Ate. Here we'll have Dve. And E will become Ye. Vahi will become
Mahe.
Mahe. Mahi will become Mahe. But this will undergo change further. That we will see. Now what happens if Lot Lakara Atmanepada Ametaha will apply, right? By that what happens? Ametaha Ye. Ametaha is Ekara of the Pratyaya. That is, will be replaced by Am. Therefore you have Tam.
Taha.
And here also will become Atam. Again back to the original. Original it was Atam. And here Ante become Antam. Se. What will happen to say? Say becomes Sam. Sam.
No.
No, we have another sutra. Savabhyam Vabau. Sakara plus A is there. That A will be replaced by A following the Sakara will be replaced by Vakara as a rule. That's why we have in Lot Lakara Swa Madhyama Purusha Atmanipadi Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam Savabhyam Vabau. Okay, that is exception. We cannot apply Ametaha. Here will apply Atham and they will become there also exception Dva plus A. A following the Vakara will be replaced by Savabhyam Vamau. Therefore, you will have Dvam back to the same Dvam. Right? Then A will be replaced by. Did we see the sutra? A will be replaced by. I don't know. You have to tell me. Yeah, we saw Yetaha I. Yeah, we saw it. Yes.
Taha. I.
If A is already is there, that is replaced by I. Yetaha I. Understand? Yetaha I is where is Yetaha A is there? A will be there only in the Uttama Purusha. Right? Vahe Mahe Yetaha I. So there only it will apply. Right? Ekara will be replaced by Uttama Purusha. Pratyas where A is replaced by I. Therefore, A will become I. Vahe will become Vahai. Mahe will become Mahai. So Tam, Atam. So like for example, take Lab. Example, Lab. Labatam, Labetam, Labantam. Labaswa, Labetam, Labadvam. Laba plus I. Laba plus I is what Sandhi? What Sandhi? Sir, simple Sandhi, sir. Vriddhi Sandhi. A plus I is Vriddhi. This is not a Guna letter to apply Ato Gune. No need to think. Laba plus I is Labai. Labai, Laba Vahai, Laba Mahai. This is for Adanta. Suppose if it is for non-Adanta, like take Chi Dhatu, then Chi plus no chinu. Chinutam. Then chinu plus atam. What will happen? Chinutam, chinvatam, chinu plus antam. Chinvatam. Then chinu, chinushva, chinvatam, chinudvam. Right?
Yes.
Chinudvam. Uttama Purusha, chinu plus I. Tell me. What happens, sir?
I get something.
No, sir. You are forgetting important thing. Sorry, I missed also one important thing. Shamita. This is my mistake. It will get art agama and a plus I will become what sandhi? Vriddhi only. What else happen? I only. Okay. Here a will become avahe. Here become amahe. And another thing is that when art is comes for the Uttama Purusha, both Parasmay Pada Pratyaya, Atmane Pada Pratyaya will get art agama. Addition to that, what does it enjoy? Art Uttamasya pitch. It is to be deemed to be pith. Don't forget. That's why in my notes I have given color shading. Yellow color. You see that.
Yes.
Therefore, chinu plus I not it has to not end sandhi. No will become no. After that, do ayadi sandhi. O plus I ayadi sandhi becomes au, right? Then we have chinavai. Chinavai. Then china. Chinu bichana. Va vahe. China va mahe. Understand?
Yes.
So this is important. Please note. Parasmay pada pratyaya also something special for lot lakara. It is pith. Okay. Nowhere it is there pith, right? For any other lakaras. Only tip, sip, and mipa pith. But atmane pada pratyaya, uttama purusha, uttama purusha, parasmay, uttama purusha, both parasmay padya also. Parasmay padya as well as atmane padi. They are pith, uttama purusha. Both Parasmay Pada, Atmane Pada, Uttama Purusha, all the Vachanam are Pith. Ling Lakara is very simple. All are Apith. So we don't have problem. Only thing is, Ling Lakara, there will come some Agama, Yasut Agama, Siyut Agama, which is something special for that. That we will see tomorrow. So up to this we have seen. Is it clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And one more thing is that is for Lot Lakara, Ashir Lot. Two will be replaced by Tugyo Statang. This also we saw. Anyatarasyam. This is optional. That we will see tomorrow. This is Ashir Lot. Ashir Lot, like Ashir Ling, the whole Lakara will not change. Only thing is, Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, we have one extra form. Tat will come. Tat.
Yes.
Right? That will be extra form. Tu and He. What Tugyoho? Who stands for Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam? He stands for Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. This is for Parasmay Padi. Okay, where is tu? Tu only in Parasmay Padi. He only in Parasmay Padi. Lot, right? Will be replaced by Tatang. Tat. For what? Ashishi. Ashir Lot. Anyatarasyam. Optionally. Maybe that we will see tomorrow. Up to 263 is Lot is done. Then start Ling Lakara. Right?
Yes.
So now we have seen how pratyas are derived for individual lakaras, sarvadhatika lakaras. So Ling Lakara is left out. We'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow we will do Mahatmyam. Next week we will see. Right? Okay. Are you there for tomorrow, Ram?
Yes, I think so. Yes.
Okay. Then we can do Devi Mahat. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम धन्यवादः। Yesterday I thought you already everything yesterday. I thought, okay, I will do one more time so that becomes clear for you, both of you. That's what I did.
Thank you. Very nice.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Any doubts, sir? Will you ask anything, Vajaspati?
No, no.
Okay.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद.
Dhanyawada.